Hello, this is Spigsy from GoSo.io, and today I'm going to give you some useful account tips for Instagram. I'm going to give you some tips now, which is right up to the May 2018 algorithm update. So remember to watch the video. Do not skip anything because there is some useful information here. And if you have any comments or any theories or any updates, please post them in the comments below. I've just created a brand new test account just to illustrate here, and as you can see here at the top we have the GoSo.io logo. So if you're a business or a blogger and you run some sort of website, add that logo here. It is so important. If not, just add a great viral picture because you want people to click through and wonder what the picture is. Just remember, when you start liking and following people, they're going to see this picture in their newsfeed, and if it looks good, they're going to click through. Wouldn't it be great to get some insights data for every post to see where people come from, where they liked, the time of day? This is really important to see your audience. To activate this feature, we need to upgrade the standard account into a business account and follow these instructions. Simply hit the three dots on the top right, scroll down to sign up for a business profile. Click convert existing account, click the skip button, and now we need to check your category. As we're in Spain, it's going to come up with obviously Spanish text that we can actually choose on there, but you get the picture. Once you've selected your main category, click on next again. It's going to ask you if the email is correct. Click done. And then it will take you down to your home screen and it will actually welcome you to using the services. So go to profile, and you see here at the top, we have new insights data. So from now on, any posts that you make, you'll be able to track. You're going to see how many followers you get. It's going to be blank to start with. It's going to give you interaction, discovery, content, and audience. And when you click on photos, you're going to be able to click on the view insights. As this is an old picture, it will not work, so it'll only work with new photos. Next is making sure that you have the best profile possible. Click the edit profile button. Here you can change your photo, you can change your name. Have you noticed now there's a new area here, especially if you unlocked the business settings. Please remember, do not add your website in here. If you're a new account and you add your website, technically you are going to spam. If I was you, I'd wait until you reach around 10,000 followers and then add in your website link. I have grown so many accounts without the use of website URLs being added on here, and they've grown faster than if I did actually add a website in there. Next is your bio. This is so important because when people click to go on your profile, this is the first thing they're going to read. Here is my description, and I'm going to go through why this is so important. Firstly, in one sentence, put exactly what you are. In our case, it's Instagram growth experts and services. If you have other accounts, add them on there. So I said follow GoSo.io for more info. Next, I've added my own hashtags. I've put Instagram marketing tips, Instagram growth, and our own vanity one, which is hashtag GoSo. This is important because this is now telling Instagram that you're into Instagram marketing and also growth. And finally, trying to get people to private messaging you. So I've got PM me if you want to know more. Do not add your website in the bio. Do not add your phone number. Do not add anything else apart from this basic information. This is the end of the basic tips for new accounts, especially on Instagram. We have more advanced videos, so please go into our channel and check them out. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate you watching this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't, you know what to do. And please let us know via the comments what you think of this video. And remember, go to www.goso.io to see all our packages. We do power lights, we do growth packages, and all of it works with the latest algorithm.